Here we are with Onshape, getting started with my first flexible wood project. I have my file name as TechShop TS19, my last name, and then flexible wood. I've also I've gone into the share menu, and I've made sure I've shared it by typing my name here. That will be, you want to have this shared with me, so you should put bshannon at brewer.org in there, and then select share. This will allow me to see your file and help you along the way. All right, I'm going to close that up. Now I have this blank window with my planes here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating a sketch. I open up a sketch. You'll have this blue box here. You click on that blue box to tell which sketch plane you want to do. I'm going to choose the top plane. That blue box now turns to white, saying I've made that selection, and I have this light blue sketch plane that shows up here. So everything that I draw is now going to be drawn on like a piece of paper that I place in that orientation. I would like to see that paper facing me directly on the screen. In order to do that, I press N on the keyboard and it'll bring it right to me. All right. Now I need to start with developing the first shape of my pattern. The shape has to be a two-dimensional shape when we're working in Onshape as compared to what we were doing in Adobe Illustrator. This is why you would use Onshape instead of Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to make an oblong circle. I'm going to start by being a little bit clever about which tools I use. I'm going to use a line tool, then I make a construction line. So I use the line tool in the top toolbar, and then I hit construction here. And I'm going to make that little L. All right. I may as well make this the dimensions I wish to have it right from the get-go. I don't want these little oblong pieces to be too tall, so I'm going to make that maybe 1/2 centimeter tall, and then zoom in a little bit here. Okay. Next, I'm going to use these 2 points to develop one edge of my overall oblong shape. So to do that, I'm going to come into my arc drop-down menu and find my conic. I'm going to click there, and get a nice overall shape. I'm happy with that. All right, so this is 1/4 of this overall shape that I'm going to look for. Now I can just use a mirror tool to create that. So now I clicked on the mirror tool. It says select a mirror line. I'm going to select the construction line I made. Now it asks me to select the entities to be mirrored. I'm going to select the line I wanted. And let's do that one more time. Now I've got 1/2 of my shape, and I want to flip it over to the other side. So I'll check my mirror tool, select a mirror line, and these are the 2 entities I want to be mirrored. Now I've got a closed shape. You'll notice that when the shape is fully closed, it will darken to that light gray. So I know I've got it. All right. Then